Game na. Mag-start na.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Luke, Carl, and Mark's cooking show. Today we are going to teach you how to cook nachos. First, you get nachos and aim it up high. Yes.
Not that high.
And you get a lighter. Okay?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
you get the flamethrower, okay? Now, first step, light the lighter. And now,
The flamethrower.
the flamethrower.
Wow!
No. Next, you stay, okay.
Ano nangyari, Mark?
Stay put. Stay put, okay? I aim it right here first, then go there.
Sige nga, kainin niya pagtapos.
Wow!
Gago kaya? Did you see it?
Mamaw!
Kainin yan, gago. Bakit kinain? Nagkasa yan.
Let's watch it, let's watch it. Let's watch it.